Hello children, welcome to today's EVS class. We are going to study about animals around us. You must have seen some animals in the zoo, right? And some animals, they are wild animals. Some animals, they live in water. You may find them in oceans, seas, rivers. Some animals live with us. And some animals are found in farm. So children, today we are going to learn about animals around us. Let's start. First of all, we will talk about wild animals. Do you know? Wild animals, they live in jungle or forest. Let's learn the name of wild animals. The first one is the lion. He is the king of the jungle. Then the tiger with the black stripes over his body. Another wild animal is the leopard. Do you know? He runs very fast. Then comes the cute elephant. Then comes the bear. Another wild animal is the giraffe. It has a tall neck. Then comes the big fat animal hippopotamus. Then the zebra. It has black and white stripes over his body. Then comes the clever fox. And then snake. It is also a wild animal. Then comes the naughty monkey. Wolf. Another wild animal. So children, there are some animals which live in water. They are called water animals. So let us quickly learn the names of these water animals. Number 1 comes the fish. Colorful fish. Then comes the dolphin, the cute little dolphin. Then comes the shark with sharp teeth. Then the octopus. It has many legs. Then comes the crab. Another water animal is a jellyfish. And the turtle. Then the crocodile. It lives in water. The frog. And the duck. It says quack quack. Children, do you know there are some domestic animals which live with us? They are found around us. Some animals, they are found in farms. So domestic animals which are found in farm, they are called farm animals. These animals are cow, ox, then pig. Then another farm animal is a horse. Then comes the duck, donkey. Next farm animal is a goat. Then comes the hen. Another animal found in farm is sheep. They are very helpful to us. Do you know? There are some animals which live with us. We feed them. They share their lives with us. They are called pet animals. You all love pet animals. Some of the pet animals are dog, very faithful friend. Then comes cat. Another pet animal is a rabbit. Then there is a parrot. So now you know there are some wild animals living in forest. There are some farm animals which are useful for us. Then there are pet animals which we love them. So children, today we discussed about different kinds of animals. We should all love and take care of these animals because they are very helpful to us. Thank you.